Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable CapCut AI for auto captions on YouTube videos, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the CapCut application on your device. Select the project you want to work on or create a new one. Once in the project, tap on the text option in the bottom menu. Look for the auto captions feature and select it. You may need to grant permission for CapCut to access your audio. Choose the language of your video's audio for accurate captioning. Tap on the Generate button to start the captioning process. Wait a moment while CapCut processes your audio and creates captions. Once the captions are generated, review them for accuracy. You can edit any captions that may need corrections. After making changes, choose the styling options for your captions. Select your preferred font, color, and position on the screen. When you are satisfied with the captions, save the changes. Export your video by tapping the Export button. Make sure to choose the quality settings that suit your needs. After exporting, your video will include the new auto-generated captions. You are now ready to upload your video to YouTube with Captions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.